everyone. My name is Muhammad Amirul Aiman bin Muhammad Fitri, and today I am going to be presenting reflection for my PEC700 towards my group mates. Next slide, please. Okay, for my task, I have learned how to create and design from scratch with Canva. On to the next one. I have planned and narrated a story to convey to the audience by using storyboard. For the next one, I acted and created a presentation clip of our group storyline for the awareness campaign video by using PowerPoint. And then I also did my portfolio with my involvement in Suka by creating a poster as well as a brochure that can be utilized in Suka. Okay, then I have performed a group meeting by utilizing Zoom in order to present our individual portfolio as well as reflection. Next. Okay, the tools that I have used, which is Canva. Canva is used for creating designs such as posters, logo, brochure, as well as presentation. For the next one is storyboard. It is used to create a storyline with simple figurines in multiple panels to tell a storyline to the audience. And then we have Powtoon, used to create slides with various editing tools to help make the slides interesting. And then finally, we have an editing tool called CapCut. It is used to edit videos and edit transitions, subtitles, and screen effects. For the issues and problems that I have encountered during the activity while using the online tool, um, various editing tools and images requires the users to pay a subscription fee to be able to utilize them. And then the next problem with connectivity issues or the website server can cause the work to stop at a halt. And then for the next one, we have some IT tools have a higher learning ceiling, which requires more time and effort to be able to use the IT tool proficiently. Other than that, some IT tools require better hardware in order to run them smoothly without any hiccups. Lastly, the lack of creativity makes the design a lot less interesting. Next, next. Okay. Then now how do I resolve those problems? Okay, for the pricing issue, some with the issue of having to pay to use some of the tools provided by the application, I instead opt to use the free that is provided by them and only pay the subscription fee if only deemed necessary. In my opinion, the free tools are more than enough to create a simple design. For the hardware and connectivity for me, modern technologies are problem. I resolve those problems. For the pricing issue, with the issue of having to pay to use some of the tools provided by the application, I instead opted to use the free tools that is provided by them and only pay the subscription fee if deemed necessary. The free tools, in my opinion, the free tools are more than enough to create a simple design. Now, for the hardware and connectivity, thankfully, modern technologies are easy to optimize to be able to run the IT tools. The connectivity issues are resolved by moving closer to the router in order to have a smooth time. Next, for the creativity issue, with the lack of creativity issue, by taking naps, taking inspirations from other artwork, and brainstorming with friends, I am able to come up with my own design and rethink my steps on how to better attract people with my designs. Next. Now, how do I feel about the online IT tool after I have completed my task? Each of the IT tools offers different solutions to my need, and for that reason, I have to carefully choose which IT tool suit my need. IT tools have made designing and creating artwork easy for anyone to use. However, that the drawback is that you have to put enough time and effort as well have the creativity to design them. With the learning of various IT tools, I am able to create my own artwork to send a message to my target audience. I am sure I will utilize the IT tools since it offers greater flexibility as well as easier usage. Next. Now, what have I learned throughout the activity? Now, throughout the activity, I have learned that the modern technologies that we have now have offered multiple tools that can help me learn a wide range of abilities and skills that can further boost me in this digital era. The benefits to this is that it can improve my employability, yes, problem solving skills, critical thinking skills, and not to mention my creativity skills. Next. So that is all from me. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Siti Nurfatiha, so I will present my reflection presentation. Next. What was my task? The first one is create and design the project logo using Canva. Next, design poster using Canva. And I also have planned and create a storyboard for awareness campaign project using storyboard deck. Next, I'm also doing 2 portfolio which is need to look task from a company, and I make poster and brochure, then upload it to my social media account, which is in TikTok and Instagram. Next, I create presentation clip for awareness campaign video by using Powtoon. Then I'm also shooting the video awareness campaign with my group mate with refer to the storyboard. And the last one, perform group Zoom meeting for my individual self reflection evaluation. Next slide. The online IT tool that I use to complete the task is free, which is Canva, Storyboard Deck, and Powtoon. Problem or issue that I encountered during the activity and while using the online IT tool, the first one is usability, which is the platforms that I use have a steep learning curve or be difficult to navigate, which can frustrated me and decrease my productivity. The second one is by the cost. While some platforms are free, many charge subscription fees or require users to pay for additional features or storage. And the last one is internet connectivity issues or server downtime can result in disruptions to my ability to access the data or collaborate with colleagues. Next slide. So, how I resolve the problems? The first one is I should seek out tools with initiative interface and invest time in training or tutorials to become proficient with the online IT tools. Next, I should carefully evaluate their needs and choose tools that offer the features they require at a price point that is reasonable for my budget. And the last one, I explore backups for the data as well as application channels to ensure that I can stay connected even if their primary tool is temporarily unavailable. Next, how do I feel about the online IT tool after I have completed my task? While online IT tools offer numerous benefits, they also present potential challenges that users should be aware of. By being proactive about data security, reliability, usability, and cost, users can maximize the benefits of these tools while minimizing their risks. With proper precautions and careful consideration of their needs, users can leverage the power of online IT tools to enhance their productivity and improve their lives. Next, so what I learned throughout the activity in PEC700, I get to engaging in information technology activities can teach me a wide range of valuable skills and knowledge that are essential in today's digital age. By mastering these skills, I can enhance my career prospect, improve my problem-solving abilities, and better understand how technology impacts in our daily lives.
Hey, my name is Benjamin Afiq, and today I'll be presenting to you guys about my reflection PEC700. Next. So, what was my task? The first one is planning and brainstorming about a storyboard of awareness campaign project, and the second one is design and created our own logo with the help of Canva. Third one act as the role that has been given in our presentation kit for our awareness campaign by using Powtoon. And portfolio, poster, and brochure, create one group meeting by using Zoom presenting our portfolio and reflection. Next. The online tools that I use to complete the task, there are four tools used, which is the first one is Canva, the second one is Storyboard, the third one is Powtoon, and the fourth one is CapCut. Next. So the problem or the issue that I encountered during the activity while using online tools, the first one is technical issue. Online tools need a good and stable connection, and it seems issue which is low loading or downtime. And the second one is compatibility issues. As I am using iPad, a lot of tools that are not compatible with browsing devices and system making me to complete my work slower. And the third one is limited features. As I mentioned previously, I am using iPad at the moment, making me having a limited features compared to desktop features. Next. How I resolve the problems. The first one is compatibility tools. I use tools that are compatible with my iPad so that I can fully utilize my work creativity. The second one is modern tech. So by having modern technology nowadays, problem can be resolved as simple as it gets. Moving closer to the Wi-Fi router, I can actually stabilize my Wi-Fi connectivity. And the last but not least is pay app. So basically, I create an app so that I can run my iPad like a desktop. So next, how do I feel about the online tools after I have completed my task? The first one is it is very convenient. Freedom to utilize online tools whenever and wherever they choose, wherever I choose, since I can access them from any device with an internet connection. And the second one is cost effectiveness. Online tools are cost effective, separating from conventional software because many of them are offered for free at a cheap price. And the third one is time saving. It saves time and effort by using online solution to automate repetitive operation and get immediate result. Next. So what I learned throughout the activity, the first one is communication. So this involves speaking properly, paying attention, and responding to each other's messages. And the second one is collaboration. So this involves exchanging ideas, assigning duties, and cooperation to accomplish shared objective. And the third one is time management. So this involves exchanging ideas, assigning duties, and cooperating to accomplish shared objective. Working with online tools may have taught me efficient time management technique such as prioritizing a project, deadlines, and utilizing software to keep track of my progress and stay organized. Next. So thank you.
Okay, my name is Farhan Azmi bin Lazi and I will present about reflection presentation. Okay, was my task? Which is plan and construct a storyboard for the awareness campaign project using storyboard app. And second is create and design the project logo using Canva. Third one is I doing on two self portfolio that require me to create a poster and a brochure before uploading them to my social media accounts. I create a presentation kit for an awareness campaign video using Powtoon, and lastly create a group Zoom meeting for my individual self-reflection assessment while shooting the awareness campaign film with my groupmate and using the storyboard. The online IT tool that I use to complete my task, which is Canva, Powtoon, CapCut, and Storyboard. The problem or issue that I encountered during the activity and while using the online IT tool, the first one is usability. I sometimes become frustrated and work less efficiently on the platform I have tried because they have a steep learning curve or are challenging to use. The second one, price is matter. While some platforms are free, many have subscription costs or ask users to pay more for a storage or functionality. The third one is problem with the server or internet connectivity and prevent me from accessing the information or working with. Next is how I resolve the problem. to become adept with the online IT tools, I should look for tools with user-friendly interface and devote time to training or lesson. Second one, I should carefully consider their needs and pick tools that meet those needs while remaining inside my budget range. Look into data backups and alternate methods of communication to make sure I can still connect even if their main tool is briefly down. Fourth one is, how do I feel about the online tool after I have completed my task? Although there are many advantages to using online IT solution, there are also possible drawbacks that users should be aware of. Users may maximize the advantage of these products while lowering their risk by being proactive about data security, reliability, usability, and cost. Users can take advantage of the potential of online IT technologies to increase their productivity and improve their life by taking the right safeguard. Lastly, what I learned through the activity, participating in information technology related activity can help me learn a wide range of useful abilities and information that are crucial in the current digital era. I can boost my employment chances, my capacity for problem solving, and my comprehension of how technology affects our daily life by developing their skills. Thank you. That's all from me.
Hi, my name is Tishendran. Today I would like to present about reflection PEC700. Next. My task, learn to create design by using Canva. Second one, create a video for awareness campaign by using Fortune. Plan to sketch a storyboard for the awareness campaign project using storyboard, individual portfolio, poster, and brochure. Using Zoom meeting for our group presentation, portfolio, and reflection. Next. The online tool that I use to complete my task is Canva, PowerPoint, Storyboard, and ClipCam. Next. The problem or issues that I encountered during the activities and while using the online IT is money important, while some platforms are free and many platforms need user to pay a subscription fee and in order to access the additional features and service. Second one is there is a network problem. Online tool require to a stable connection in order to load a file or use their supplementary capabilities. Last one is lack of creativity and design, poster and brochures. How I resolve the problem is discover network issues and solve their with PRGT, use network sensor and narrow possible network cost and avoid problem in the future. Second one is mind map a creative idea before do creativity things and review from a new genre. Next. How do I feel about the online ID tools after I have completed my task? While there are numerous benefit to using online tools, users should be aware of possible hazards. By taking the proper precaution, user can take use to the promise of internet tools and increase their output and enhance their quality of life. Next. What I learned through the activities, engaging in initiative related to IT can assist us to learning an extensive variety of useful skills. Developing the skills will allow you to feel more confident and using emerging technology, and you will become faster in finishing tasks. Next. That's all from me. Thank you.